Dito. 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 Parang naliwag ko. Ilaw ko ka. Dito. Kasi pang ilaw. On.
Ngayon.
Hi guys, before I can't open my personal computer due to some damages parts, so I decided to go to a professional technician to check my PC. So they need to replace some parts of my computer to make it work again. The first one is the power supply. They need to replace this to continue the power being supplied on my computer. The second one is the RAM. They need to replace this also because they told me that my RAM already damaged and need to replace a new one. This a Fury Beast 16 GB. And this one is the power supply in-play 550 watts. So they decided to replace these two items to make my personal computer alive again. So I already bought this one, a UPS, so to support my personal computer in case of brownout of power supply disconnection. So we are going to check if all parts are being work and no problem has been indicated on my computer. So going to this one and going to turn on this one, and I'm going to on this. See, my computer is already running and no flickering. So if you encounter those errors, you need to check this one, the RAM. You can change the slots whenever you get some on and off errors, and you can replace or check this one also, the power supply that connect to your computer. Both of them are connected in running the personal computer. So you can see that I already fixed the issues that I encountered from my first clip. So this is for today. Thank you and God bless.